It's Friday Sews, it's Friday Sews. What you gonna make? If you want to see what's been going on this week in my sewing room, please stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Friday Sews. My name is Shalisa and you have tuned in to Sew She Designs. We would like to thank Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room for creating this platform where we can come on and share what we're doing in our sewing room with you. The first thing I want to do is a recap of my week. If you have not seen my videos, I wanted to do a recap. So let me move over so I can put the pictures where they need to go. I'll move over here. So the first, I had two videos that came out on Wednesday, Valentine's Day. So the first one was Discovering Denim. This is a collaboration that I'm doing with So Lovely with Grace, Ausset of Ausset Stitch Treasures, as well as Laura from Sewing Up Style. We will bring an episode every other month until the end of the year where we will make a garment or something out of denim. So please tune in for this episode. But this February the 14th was our first episode, and it was our Sweetheart edition. So for that episode, you can make a bustier or a corset. I made a bustier. So the pattern that I used to create my bustier was Butterick 5662. And I did view A. I also did some hacks to it, which I talk about more in depth in the video. So here's the corset that I did. And I made it out of old denim. And then before attaching the lining, I hand sewed beads to the front. So if you would like to know more about the corset, please go and watch that video. I also did a video this week, which every Wednesday in the month of February, I will be bringing you a Black History video to talk about an African-American designer. This year, I'm concentrating on African-American bags and accessory designers. So I did Brandon Blackwood, and he inspired me to create this this little bag out of this fabric that I purchased while I was in Hobby Lobby. So if you haven't seen that video, I go more in depth about the making of that bag and the pattern that I used to achieve the bag is Butterick 4148. And I did this view is view A. And I'll put a picture of that. So if you haven't had the moment or the time, be sure to take time and go and check out those videos. I would really appreciate it. I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe. Even more if you would give those videos a thumbs up as well as this video. So nothing much else have been going on. I did manage to get to Joann's. They are currently having a pattern sale for Simplicity Patterns. So I picked up quite a few patterns, but I got a few of the new patterns that came out because they were out. The last couple of sales, the new patterns were not out. So I'm assuming they're just getting to the store. I don't know. But for the Simplicity sale, they were out. I just realized today I forgot to replace the pattern, so I do have to go back today. But I wasn't picking up much is by way of the new patterns. There were a couple of older patterns that I picked up, as well as I went through the drawer to look through the older patterns to see what Mimi G patterns I did not have. So I got quite a few of those patterns, so I'll do those in a separate video with just my Mimi G collection. So I'm going to share with you just a quick pattern haul of the patterns I did get. So we have about, let's see, I think I picked up 3 new ones, and the rest of them were older patterns that I did not have in my collection. that I wanted to add. First, we can start off with this little number. This is Simplicity 9886. I like this dress. This is for knits. I believe this is a... Oh, no, this isn't. No, this is for wovens. So the other one that I have from Butterick is for knits. So this one is for wovens. I like this. You know I love to color block. So I can see this being made really soon. Cute, cute, cute. I also picked up this this Jiffy pattern. This is a reproduction of a vintage pattern from the 1960s. This is Simplicity 9883, and it is a reproduction of 5888, and it is like a reversible coat. I thought this was great, and I don't know if Anmaree is going to do her challenge again, but I know last year she did a reversible challenge. So if she does it again this year, this would be awesome to do for that challenge. I also picked up Simplicity 9885. Where I'm going to wear this to, I don't know, but I thought this was cute. Like, even if my daughters ask me for something, I feel like this would be a really cute choice for them as well. But I like it. I could actually see myself wearing this. Even wondering if where you have the cutout right here on the side, maybe you could put lace. So you'll still have that sheer sexiness about the dress, but maybe not as revealing. But I thought this was a nice pattern to put in my collection. Simplicity 9885. Now the rest of my patterns, with the exception of this, I try to pick up the adaptive patterns. Why? I don't know, but I do. And this one, preferably, I won't have to use it personally. I do have an idea in mind for these patterns, but that'll come out in a later date. But this is Simplicity 9902. I just like the options that were available. If I need it, I'll have it, but hopefully I won't need it. But I like the options that were available for this. So I picked this up. Always pick up the adaptive patterns because you never know. And it is rated as very easy. So let's see. The adaptive is very easy, and this Simplicity are rated as very easy. And these are rated as average. Now this pattern is Simplicity 9644. I went in my collection and I was looking for this pattern and realized that I never purchased it. So I made sure that I purchased it this time. And I was looking to make this for a specific event, and I didn't even have the dress. So I'm glad that I finally picked it up and add this to my collection. Again, this is Simplicity 9644. Really cute dress, and it is rated as average. This is an older pattern, but I've seen someone with this pattern before, and I particularly like view C, which has the cutout back, which I'm sure you could upcycle a shirt to look like this easy, but I found the pattern, so I got it. This is Simplicity 8416. It's really cute button down shirt, and then it has the little different backs to it, which I thought was nice. I purchased 8652. This is just like a pencil skirt. A really simple detail on this view right here. I try to put a close-up video that caught my eye, but I like this skirt, and I did not have a pencil skirt pattern like this in my stash, so I said let me get this and add it to my collection. I'm just looking at this shirt that right here because I plan on making a shirt with lace, and it's just really cute. I wish that was on here, but anyway. This is another pattern that I picked up, and it's an older pattern. This is 8652. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see the year. Let me see. Yeah, I don't see the year. I picked up this. This is a Leanne Marshall pattern by Simplicity. This is 1254. But I thought this was a really cute coat, and that I figured it would not it wouldn't be very hard to put together. But I love that hood right there. I think that's really nice. And then how you can just lay it over. I like that. So this is Simplicity 1254. This was still in the drawer, so I picked it up. I also found this pattern hacking pattern by Simplicity 8752. I'll try to put all the little videos, but it gives you, all the views, but it gives you all the little views of what you can do to this pattern. But I specifically picked it up for this. I like this, and y'all know I like that little ruffle right there. It's really cute. And last but not least, I picked up two Gertie patterns that I did not have in my stash, but I'm adding these to my stash because the silhouettes of these dresses really complement my shape. So I wanted to add them to my collection as well. So the first one is Simplicity 9294. And I can see myself making either of these dresses really pretty. And the last one, I can see myself making both of these dresses as well. This is Simplicity 9296, but preferably this one. Really cute dresses. And they're not marked. I'm sure they're average. Yeah, these are, they don't have like average or anything on them, so I'm sure they're average. This skirt really should be simple, but it may be more average if it has like a zipper or something in the pattern. I don't know how they rate those, but anyway, so those are all of the patterns that I picked up. And the only thing that I picked up while I was in Hobby Lobby, I saw this really cute pattern. Zipper. You know I don't need any more zippers, but I actually had a plan for this. I was going to make a rainbow colored bag, and I found this zipper, and I thought that would be really pretty to put in the bag. Even has a nice cute little zipper pull. It was only $1.49, so I purchased that to put in the rainbow bag that I'm supposed to be making, and I changed it to something else, so we'll see how that goes. And I've been eyeing this material and eyeing this material, and I think what I'm going to do, I finally got it. I actually got what they had left, and it was only like 2.5 yards. But there's a pattern, and if I can think of that pattern, I'll put the picture up. And I think I'm going to make that pattern with this. It's just like a t-shirt and like a elastic in the waist short lounge set. And I think I'm going to make that, and I think that'll be just cute for just, even if it's just around the house. But I've been obsessed with these little strawberries, so I finally went ahead and I purchased them. So I got this, and that's all that I got this week. I would like to say thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you who take the time out of your day to watch my videos. Don't forget to check out the other 2 videos that I mentioned in the video that came out on Wednesday. As always, I want you to know you are so special to me. Happy sewing and have a great week. Bye-bye.